Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Algebra Solution. Today we will see this algebra questions. X square minus x cube is equal to 80. X is equal to question mark. So solution is given here. X square minus x cube is equal to 80. So see how we can solve this. X square minus x cube minus 80 is equal to 0. Now see here how we can write 80. X square minus x cube minus 64 minus 16 is equal to, if we add 64 and 16 we get 80. So in this way we have to write 80. Now x square minus, we write with x square is minus 64 minus x cube minus, here we write 16 and here we write 64, okay, equal to 0. So see here, x square, 16 is a square of 4 square, minus x cube minus 4 cube is 64 is equal to 0. X square minus 4 square, minus sign we have to take common, x cube plus 4 cube equal to 0. Now we use here algebraic identities. A square minus b square equal to, in one bracket a plus b, in another bracket a minus b, and another identity we will use here, a cube plus b cube is equal to, in one bracket a plus b, in another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Now we will apply this x square minus 4 square. This first identity we will apply here and this second identity we will apply here. So let's start. X plus 4 in one bracket, x minus 4 in another bracket. Then minus sign we will take here and we write here x plus 4 other bracket, x square minus ab means minus 4x plus b square means 16 equal to 0. Now we write here, we take common x plus 4 and x plus 4 from this. So if we take x plus 4 common, so here remain x minus 4 minus this one, x square minus 4x plus 16 equal to 0. Here x plus 4 equal to 0, or this bracket we will solve first. X minus 4 minus x square plus 4x minus 16 minus 16 equal to 0. Now we write here x equal to minus 4. So this is the first value of x, or here we write x minus x square, x and 4x, 1x and 4x becomes 5x, minus 4 minus 16 becomes minus 20 equal to 0. Now here we use quadratic equation. Here we use quadratic equation to solve this equation. So comparing with, this is the quadratic equation. Before comparing we have to multiply. Multiplying whole equation by -1. So we get here -1 in bracket minus x square plus 5x minus 20 equal to 0 implies that if you multiply minus sign, so we get minus into minus become plus x square minus 5x plus 20 equal to 0. Okay, so we have to compare this quadratic equation with standard form of quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here coefficient of x square is a is equal to, here is 1. So value of a equal to 1. Here b, coefficient of x is -5. So b equal to -5. And here c, value of c is 20. C equal to 20. This is the value of constant. Now we have to find the value of discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So d is equal to, value of b is -5. So we write here -5 whole square minus 4 into value of a is 1 and value of c is 20. So we write here value of discriminant d is equal to -5 square is 25 minus 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 20 is 80. So we get here -55. -55 is less than 0. So we can write here d is less than 0. D is less than 0. So we write symbol like this, not like this. D is less than 0. Okay. So we will get here, there if there exists if there exists two solutions. Which type of solutions? Complex solutions. Two solution complexes. Two solution complexes. If there exist two solutions of complexes, two complex solution will be find here. So we write that complex solution like that, x1 equal to -b minus I under root d divided by 2a, and x2 equal to -b plus I under root d for discriminant upon 2a. Now here two values, we will see that we have to solve these complex values. We can write here minus value of b is -5 minus I, value of discriminant is 55 divided by value of 2a. Value of a is 1, so 2a we can write. x2 equal to -5 plus I into under root 55 divided by 2 into a value of a is 1. So we can write here -5 becomes +5 minus I under root 55 divided by 2, and value of x2 is equal to, minus into minus becomes +5 plus I under root 55 divided by 2. So we are getting the three solutions of x, because highest power of the equation is 3. So we write the value of x equal to we have got first value is x is equal to -4, second value of x1 equal to 5 minus I under root 55 divided by 2, and x2 equal to 5 plus I under root 55 divided by 2. So these are the three values of x, three solutions of x, right? Three solutions of x. These are the two complex solutions. These are the two complex solutions, or values. Complex solutions or values, and this is the real solution or real roots. Real solution or real roots. Okay. See once recap. If you like the video, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching the whole video.